Okay, good morning, all of you. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about the concept of packages in Java. Okay, so what is a package? So what are different types of packages and how to create a package and how to import and use the package, that is user-defined package, and access control belongs to this packages. So this is the today's agenda. So we are going to discuss about these concepts in today's class. Okay. So first, let us see what is a package and what is its necessity. Okay. So one of the key concept of object-oriented programming is reusability. Okay. So you know what is the meaning of reusability. Okay. So this is one of the major aspect of object-oriented programming. Okay. So reusability means so write once, read anywhere. Okay. Write once and read anywhere. So this is called reusability. Okay. This is called reusability. Okay. Suppose I have different classes. Okay. So these many number of classes I want to use in different contexts. Okay. So that what we can do is we can place all these classes in a location or in a namespace. So where all the related classes are stored. Okay. So this is my warehouse or place where you can store all related classes or interfaces. Okay. So this is known as package. This is called package. So what is a package? Package is nothing but collection of related classes and the interfaces. Okay. So collection of related. So what is a package means? It is a collection of the related classes and interfaces. Collection of related classes and interfaces. So it is a namespace. It is a namespace where you can store all the collection of related classes and interfaces so that you can reuse these many number of classes in a later stage. Okay. So that is the main advantage of this packages concept is it provides reusability. So whenever you want to use these related classes or predefined classes, so you can use these predefined classes in a certain situations. Okay, so that is the main concept of these packages. So what is a package means? A package is a collection of related classes and interfaces, or it is a namespace. Okay, so it is a namespace like your folder. For example, if we consider a folder in Windows terminology, okay, folder in Windows. So now it consists of, so it has a set of files, a collection of files. Okay, so like that, you can store the related classes. You define some set of classes in a location. Now, such a location is known as this particular package. Such a location is known as a package. So, package is a collection of related classes and the interfaces. Classes and interfaces. So, why we need to store the location? For reusability purpose. But its main purpose is reusability. So whenever you want these number of classes, whenever you want to use these predefined classes or this collection of classes in your program, so you can simply particular package. So this package automatically provides these set of classes and the interfaces to you so that you can reuse the predefined set of classes and interfaces whenever it is required. Okay, this is the concept, the definition of the packages. So now what are different types of packages available? What are types of packages available in Java? Types of packages. Now basically Java provides two types of packages. There are two types of packages are there in Java. Okay. So what are those? One is predefined packages are there. Predefined packages are there. Second one is user-defined packages are there. There are some predefined packages and there are some user-defined packages. So predefined packages means these are the packages available in our Java JDK. Okay. So these are available Java. Okay. So these are the list of packages readily available in our Java JDK. So whereas these particular user-defined packages, now Java allows to create our own packages. It allows to create our own packages. So this is comes under the user-defined packages. Okay, these are the two types of packages available in our Java. One is the predefined packages are there, and second one is the user-defined packages are there. Predefined and the user-defined packages are there. Okay. So what are various predefined packages? Okay. So we'll see what are built-in packages in Java. Okay. Built-in packages in Java. For example, these are the list of built-in packages in Java. So one is the java.lang, another one is java.util, another one is java.io, and next one is java.net and java.sql, java.swing. So like that, different types of packages are available. Okay, java.applet. Okay, like that you have different types of packages. Within packages are there. Okay? So like one is the java.lang package is there. So now the java.lang package is used to provide core language features. What are core language features? Core Java language features are there. These are available in the package java.lang package. So now it is a default package. So this will be automatically available in our Java program. There is no need to import this particular package. This will be automatically available in our Java program. Okay, so there is no need to import this particular package. So this provides core language features. This particular package provides core language, Java language features, like for example, string class is there. Okay, there is a class called string class is there, and math class is there. This provides set of mathematical operations like SQRT, exponential, C. So these many number of methods are available in the package class called math class. Okay. So another one is the system class. So these different types of classes are available. These are available in the package java.lang package. This is the default package. Okay. So this is one of the built-in. So and others, next one is the java.util. Now this provides the utility classes. This particular package provides Java utility classes. So that is the data structures and utility classes are provided by the java.util package. Okay. Now this consists of classes like array list, and next one is the scanner. Okay. So most widely used class in This util package is this is the scanner class you can use, and array list we can use. Okay, so we'll illustrate the use of this scanner class, for example. Okay, so these are the two different classes. For example, there are many number of classes are available in the java.util package. And next on the java.io. Now the IO represents input and output. Java.io provides Java input output operations like files. If you want to work with the concept of files. So file means it provides a permanent storage. Okay, file is nothing but it offers a collection of records to store permanently. So that is called a file. If you want to perform some file operations, file IO operations, then you can use the package java.io package. So now the classes available in this particular package are file and the buffer reader or the file input stream and file output stream, buffer input stream, buffer output stream. Okay. So file reader and file writer, different classes are available here. Okay. So this will comes in the concept of file IO. Okay. So this is a package called java.io. Now if you want to work with the files concept, then first what you have to do is you should import java.io. Then work with these particular classes like file input stream, file output stream, data input stream, data output stream, or buffer reader or buffer writer, like that. There are many number of classes are there. So then use those classes once it has been imported. That is java.io package has been imported. So and the next one is the java.net package. So whenever you want to work with the network programming or a socket programming in Java, so then what you have to do is import the package java.net package. Java.net package. Now the java.net package purpose is used in the networking applications. It is used in the networking applications. So now it has a different classes like the socket input stream, socket output stream, and the URL class and the INET address class. Okay, that is the internet address class and the URL class and the socket class to create endpoints. Okay, so these many number of classes are available here. Okay, so all these classes are available in the package java.net package. Java.net package. And the next type of built-in package is java.sql package. Java.sql package. Now it is used for database applications. Or if you want to access the database, that is if you want to work with the Java database connectivity, that is JDBC applications. Java database connectivity. Java database connectivity means the front end is the Java program and back end there will be a database. Okay, there will be a database in the back end. This is the Java program. If you want to establish communication between your Java program and the database, then you should go for this java.sql package. Different classes like a connection class, a statement class, okay, create statement, okay, and update query. Different types of methods are available in this particular classes. Okay, so creating a connection and creating a source, okay, to send the queries from this Java program to the database. Okay. So if you want to work with the database applications, Java database connectivity, then import the package java.sql. This is another built-in package in Java. And next one is the java x.swing. Java x.swing package is there. Now it is used to develop graphical user interface applications, as we are aware. It is used to develop graphical user interface applications, GUI applications. Okay. Now it includes classes like JFrame and JButton. Okay. JList and JCombo. So JRadio. So JCheckbox. So like the different types of classes are available. Now it is used to create our graphical user interface applications. Okay, like your registration form suppose or student information system I want to develop. Okay, we need an interface here. Okay, what is the name of the student? Like that, you can write here. Name. Name is a label here. Here, in order to enter the name, we need one text box. And at the end, you can create one submit button here. Okay. So submit is a button. So like that, you can use this J button. So different types of classes are available to implement our Java graphical user interface applications, GUI applications. Okay. So these are the different types of predefined packages available in Java. So for example, if you want to see this, in order to use all these packages, all these classes in a program, what you have to do is you should import these particular packages. Suppose I want to use the scanner class. I want to use the scanner class, suppose. So now the scanner class is used to read input. As we know, for example, scanner class is there. It is used for read input. For example, there is a class called a scanner. This scanner class is used to read input from keyboard. Read input from the keyboard. As we know, this is used to read the input from the keyboard. So then what you have to do is you should import the package java.util dot this class name. What is the class name here? The class name is the scanner class name. So for example, I want to work with this the scanner class, suppose. Okay. So then what you have to do is let us take this file, notepad. Suppose my class name is scan demo. My program name is scan demo.java. So here what you have to do is first you need to import this particular package name. How to import the package using the keyword import java dot util dot the class name. This is the scanner. Okay. So now in order to import a particular predefined package, what you have to do is use the keyword import. Now this keyword import automatically imports the package java.util and there is a specified class that is scanner. Specified class scanner. Suppose I want to import all classes in a package, then use star. Then use star. You can use this star also. Okay. Or otherwise, if you want to import a specified class only, then use this specified class. Okay. So that is import. Then use the package name java.util.scanner. Okay. So now write the class name is scan demo. I want to use this particular class scanner to read the input from the keyboard. Public static void main and a string args. Okay. So here what you have to do is you need to create object for this particular class scanner s equal to new scanner on system dot in. Okay. So here suppose I want to read name, string name, then write one statement like this system dot out dot print ln enter name, enter name. Then write name equal to yes dot next line. As dot next line. Then print the name system dot out dot print ln. So name name is name. Okay. Name is name. Okay. So this is the simple example to illustrate this predefined package java.util.scanner. Okay, java.util.scanner. Now this compile this code scan demo.java and the Java scan demo. Enter name. So now we can enter some name here Java programming. So now the name is Java program. Okay. So now this is the use of this particular scanner class. Okay. So and another built-in predefined package is there. That suppose this is java.lang. I want to use this math class. I want to use this math class. Now this is the default package. Okay. Math that is java.lang package is the default package, so that there is no need to import this particular package. Okay. Now suppose I want to take two integers a comma b. Now I want to calculate the square root of this a and b. Okay. Enter the values of a and b. Okay. Now read a is equal to, now a and b are the integers. So use the next int method. Use next int method. So that is a equal to s dot next int, b equal to s dot next int. Now we can calculate the square root. Square root of a is, okay. Then what you have to do is math dot, use the method that is sqrt of a. Math dot square root of a, and similarly square root of b is, suppose, math dot sqrt of b. Okay. Math dot square root of b. So now where math is a class which is available in a package. What is the package name? Its package name is java.lang package. So this is the math class available in java.lang package. So this lang package is a default package, so that there is no need to import this particular package. There is no need to import this package to use the math class, so that you can directly write math.sqrt of a. Okay. Math.square root of a. So you can compile this code and run this code, enter a and b 45 and 65. Now its square root of a is 6.700 something, and the b is 8.062257 something. Okay. So this is how these predefined packages. So either the default package or the mandatory packages. So some packages are mandatory to import and some other packages are not required. That is one of the package, that is the default package is the java.lang package. So remaining all packages you should import. They will not be available automatically. Okay, you should import all these packages. Okay. So this is about some of the predefined or built-in packages. Okay. So now one of the most widely used the default package is the java.lang package. So now we'll see the different classes available in java.lang package. Okay. What are the classes available in java.lang package? Okay. So these are the list of packages, classes available in the java.lang package. So these are the some of the important classes. So other classes are also available, but these are the list of important classes. Okay. So one is the object class. So first one is the object class. So this is the root class of all Java classes basically. Okay. So every class implicitly inherits from this particular object class only. For example, if it is a class hierarchy, so in a class hierarchy, this is the root class. Object is the root class. Okay. So this is the root class. So from which the remaining classes are inherited. Okay. So this is one of the class available in the java.lang package. And next one is the string package. Next one is the string class. Next class will be the string class. Now it is used to represent the strings, that is immutable strings. You know this. And next one is the string builder. Next one is the string builder. Now it is characters, that is the strings, immutable strings. And next one is the string buffer. So like a string builder. So but it is thread safe, that is synchronized. It provides synchronized. And next one is the math class. This is what we have seen just now. It provides mathematical functions like absolute function and the square root of function and power function, sine, cos, tan. Okay, so different types of functions are provided by this math class. And next one is the integer and double, boolean, character, byte, short, long, float. These are called wrapper classes. Classes. Okay, so to convert these primitive data types, okay, these are used to convert the primitive data types. These are known as the wrapper classes. Integer is the wrapper class for int data type. Double is the wrapper class for double data type. Boolean is the wrapper class for Boolean data type. Character is the wrapper class for char data type. So byte is the wrapper class for byte type. And likewise, short, long, float are the wrapper classes for the primitive data types: byte, short, float, long. These are also available in the java.lang package. And the next one is the thread. Next class is the thread class. It is used for creating multi-threaded programming. So it is used to create multi-threaded programming. And next one is the exception. So this is the root class for exceptions. That is base class for all exceptions, all exception classes, runtime exceptions, arithmetic exceptions, and array index, out of bounds exceptions, number format exceptions. Okay, null pointer exceptions, IO exceptions. So different types of exception classes are there. So for all exception classes, this exception class is acts as base class. This is available in java.lang package. And next one is the error. Next class will be error class. Now indicates the serious errors or the serious problems. So the application should not try to handle it. Okay, such type of serious problems are called errors. And next one is the thread group, represents a group of threads. So these are all predefined classes available in the java.lang package. Okay, so these are the different types of predefined packages and available classes. Okay, so this is about different types of packages. So one is the that is the first type of the package called predefined packages. These are all predefined packages. So now let us come back to this user-defined packages. Now let us see user-defined packages. Now how to create our own packages. This is our today's agenda, today's concept. Okay. So now let us see how to create our own packages. Okay, how to create our own packages. This is the next one. Creating our own packages. Creating our own packages. So now what you have to do is to create our user-defined packages. To create a user-defined package, what you should do is the keyword. So there is a keyword called package. There is a keyword known as package. Okay. So Java provides a keyword called package. Okay. So you should go for the keyword package to create a user-defined package. Okay, use the keyword package and then use the name package and the name. Now what you should do is, so now include this statement as statement in a program. So while writing a Java program, what we should do is, so simply include the keyword package and the name of the package as the first statement in your program. So that whatever the statements you are writing, so this statement will be located in a package called package name. Okay. So this is how a new package will be created. Okay. So for example, so I want to create a package in a class. So for example, package. So my package is suppose first package or my package name is my pack. Then you can write the classes. Suppose class A will be there here. So in class A, you can write something here. Okay. You can write something here. So now this class will be available in a package called my pack. This particular class will be available in a package called my pack. Okay. So for example, this class A is there, you can write something here. So this particular class A will be stored. This class A will be stored in a package called my pack. Okay. So it will be permanently stored in this particular class, in this particular package. So now if you want to use this particular class, what we should do is we should import the package called my pack. And this my package provides a class A. Okay. This my package provides a class A. Okay. So now once a class has been defined, then what you should do is, so you should compile this particular class which is available in a package. Okay. Now first what you should do is you should compile this using the Java compiler, Java C and minus D and then dot. So class name dot Java. So this is the way of invoking or compiling this particular Java program. So now once the class has been compiled successfully, now it is going to create a particular package called my pack in the current directory. So okay, Java C minus D represents create a directory in the current working directory. That is minus D represents create a directory where you have to create a directory in the current working directory. What is the current working directory? That is dot. This dot represents current working directory. Then this class will be compiled successfully and it is going to create a directory with a name, package name, what you have specified. So for example, the package name is my pack. Now this my pack with this name, a directory will be created in the current working directory. Okay. There your dot class file will be located. What is my class name? This is a.java is my class. Okay, this will be located or stored in this particular package. Now, in order to run this, what you have to do is use the Java interpreter, then the package name. Okay, this is the fully qualified name of this particular package. Okay, fully qualified name of the class. Okay, so what is my class name? My class name is A. Where it is stored? The class name A will be stored in a package called mypack. So that mypack dot A. Mypack dot A. Now this is the process of creating a package. Creating a package. Okay. So now let us illustrate one example how to create this particular package. So let us take one example. So not bad. Suppose my class name is this is the bank name of This is a Java file, bank demo.java. Now I want to create one package called a bank demo. My package name is bank demo. And then write one class. Suppose class name is balance. Now in this particular class string, name of the account holder I want to create and double balance. Okay. Now here write one constructor here balance of. Now this constructor takes name comma balance, name comma balance. So this dot name equal to name and this dot balance equal to balance. This dot balance equal to balance. String name and double balance. Now balance of string name and double balance. Now this constructor takes two parameters. Now this dot name equal to name and this dot balance equal to balance. Now I want to display the balance in an account. Okay. Now write one method display. Now here we can print system dot out dot println. So name of the account holder, name equal to name and balance equal to balance. Okay. Name equal to name and balance equal to balance. This is my class and write the main class. What is the main class name? Main class name is the bank demo. Here write the main method. Public static void main. Write string name, string args. Now it takes an array of arguments. Okay. Now create object for the class balance be equal to new balance. Now this takes two parameters. One is the name and another one is the balance. Okay. The first argument is the name of the customer and second argument is the balance in an account. Then use the method b dot display. It is going to display the name and the balance in account. Okay. Now this is a simple class. This is a simple class available. I want to store this particular class in a package called bank demo, in a package known as bank demo. Now what we have to do is compile this particular program using the syntax. So how to compile this because it is a package program. This program is going to store in a package so that use Java C -d space dot then use the class name. What is the class name? Bank demo. Okay. Now it is going to create directory with the given package name in this current working directory. What is the package name here? Bank demo. Now, if you want to see this, you can use directory command, dir command, and please go to this current directory. So now in which it is going to create one directory called this one. Okay. What is the directory name? Bank demo. Now at 1042, it has created one directory called bank demo. In this particular directory, there are two class files available. One is the bank demo dot class and another one is the balance dot class. Suppose if you want to see this, go to this package bank demo and see dir directory. Now here it has two classes. One is the balance dot class and another one is the bank demo dot class. Balance dot class and bank demo dot class. These are the two classes which were successfully created under the package called bank demo. Okay. So now let us come back to this root directory. Okay, cd dot dot. Now we have to run this program, Java. So what is the package name? My package name is bank demo. And what is the class name? My class name is bank demo. Okay. So this is the process of running this particular program. So Java is Java interpreter. And what is the package name? Bank demo is the package name. Dot. What is my main class name? This bank demo. This one. This is my main class name. So what is the name is Alice and balance is 1234.0. Now this is how we are going to implement a package, that is compile a package which is there in a compile a class which is available in a package and run a particular class if it is there in a package. Okay, and moreover it has the main method. Okay, so now the more generalized use of this package is how to use this particular package in a new context, this particular class in a new context. Okay, once a class has been defined, okay, then it was compiled successfully. Then I want to use this particular class in a new context. Then what we should do is you should import this particular package. That is the second important concept point related to this packages is the importing a package. Importing a package. Now, in order to use a predefined package, what we should do is, in order to use this particular package, use the keyword. What is that keyword name? Import. Use the keyword import. Okay. So as shown. So now if there is a predefined package is available, that particular predefined package by importing it. By importing this predefined package into a particular class. Now what we should do is import then package name dot class name, or if you want to import all the classes in a package, then use this star. Okay. So import, use the import statement and then package name and then class name. If you want to import only specified package or specified class in a package, or if you want to import all the classes in a package, then use this star. Okay, that is package name dot class name or package name dot star. Okay, so for example, if I have import, so my class name is my package name is my pack. My package name is my pack, and there is a class A. Then use A, or if you want to import all classes in this particular package, use star. Okay. Now the first line imports only one package, one class in a package, and the second line is used to import all classes in a package, all the classes in a package. Okay. So for example, let us create a package. Let us create a package my pack. Okay. So create a package called my pack. Okay. For example, my package name is the test pack. Okay. So under this particular package, what we should do is write some classes, create some classes like class A and class B, and then use this particular class in a new context. This is my main program. Okay, this is my main program. So there I want to use class A and class B. Use class A and class B here. Okay, by importing them, by importing these classes into this main. Okay, import class A and class B into this particular main program. Now let us see how to implement this particular situation, right? So let us take, so notepad a dot java. So now write one class called test pack. Write one class called test pack. Okay. So this is my public class A, public void show A, and display this particular class A. Okay. Now compile this Java C minus D dot space. So what is the class name? A dot Java. Okay. Now it has compiled successfully and it is located in a package called test pack. And again, to write another class B dot Java. Now this is the name is the test pack. Now write one class show B, one method called show B, and one print statement here. Okay. Now compile this Java C minus D dot Java. Now it also compiled successfully. Now let us take one main program. Okay. Now my main program is your test demo dot Java. Now in this particular import, what is the package name? See here the package name is test pack. Okay. Test pack dot A. So import two classes. Test pack dot B here. Okay. So and write my class name is the test demo. Class name is test demo. So write this main class public static void main. Now here I want to use two classes. So create object for two classes A equal to UA and B equal to new B. Okay. Then A has a method called show A, so that invoke this, and B has a method called show B. Work it. So close this and close this. Okay. So this is my test demo. So now you can directly compile this Java C test demo dot Java. Okay. Now the program has compiled successfully and run this test demo. So now this is A and this is B. Now these two class implementation is not actually there in this particular test demo class. Okay. So these two are implemented as a separate classes and which were located in a package called test pack.a and test pack.b. Okay. So we can simply import them, right? Importing a new class. So this is the predefined class A and B so that you can reuse them. Okay. There is no need to rewrite in this particular program. So these because these two programs are already implemented. So what you have to do is you simply reuse them. That's it. Create an object and invoke the members. So this is called the way of using the packages, how to create a package and how to import package. Okay. And lastly, this is the access protection in packages. Lastly, please go through this particular table. This is the access protection. So we have three access modifiers: public and private and protected. Now, if a class or a member is declared as either private, public, or without any modifier, so then what is its accessibility? Suppose if it is declared as a private, or there is no modifier, there is no protected, okay, or if it is a protected, or if it is a public, so it can be accessible in the same, okay, same practice, okay. So if it is private, so or if there is no modifier, or if it is protected, or if it is public, so it can be accessed in the same package subclass. Okay, so private variables are not available in the same package or subclass. Okay, but it is available. If it is no modifier, or if it is a protected, if it is a public, you can access them in the same package. Okay, and similarly, so if it is there is no modifier, or if it is a protected, if it is a public, so you can access them in the same package, non-subclass. Same package, non-subclass. Suppose if it is a protected and public, so it can be accessible in different package subclass. It is okay, different package subclass. So suppose if it is public, the public members are available in the different package, non-subclass also. Okay. So this one, right? So if it is private, no modifier. If it is a protected, we cannot access in non-subclass of the same package. Okay. So this is the access protection when coming to its packages. Okay. So this is the thing which comes under the concept of the packages. So today we have discussed about what is a package. So what are the ways, what are the different types of packages, and what is the process to create a package and to import and use the package and the accessibility. Okay. So this is regarding the concept of packages.